Love has always been a powerful and invincible, internal, intrinsic, or subjective kind of force, but then again, it's the reaction and activation of certain hormones and chemical substances within the human body or inside of both the man and the woman, if not simultaneously, but under different circumstances, conditions, situations we struggle with or we find ourselves in. We are terribly or dangerously attracted to certain people in our lives or to certain psychological types or personality differentiations, not necessarily because they are good, but they are lethal, dangerous, narcissistic, manipulative, and exploitative. And our mind is easily swayed and attracted to negativity and to bad things and evil in life, just as we like to count our troubles and not count our blessings. And when it comes to love, the similar phenomena or condition activates in the mind or the brain, whatever you want to call it. So, love has always been a man made emotion. It's man made because it's invented by the greatness, prowess, excellence, or brilliance of the human faculties or the organs of heart, brain. They consider or they trigger certain hormones and chemical substances within our bodies that we call love, that makes us terribly attracted or enticed towards certain people or things or personality types in the world, and that is called love. But then again, it's man-made invention. It's invented by our mind and heart and by its brilliance and excellence, just as freedom, independence, equality, justice, liberty, happiness, truth are all man made ideologies and philosophies that now have got their own sovereignty, political distinction, and sociological independence, but then again, they remain to be man made. They are always man made because without our mind, without us as human beings, those ideologies would not have come to being or existence either. So, these ideologies, including the feeling of subjective entity or chemical substance, which we call love, which makes literally life possible, is also not necessarily independent or sovereign, but is quite interdependent and interconnected with ourselves, with circumstances, societies. But it is the one divine feeling or chemical substance within our body that literally is responsible for the continuation of mankind to the present, and it will be responsible for the survival of mankind in the future as well. And that means love necessarily or definitely conquers differences, boundaries, cultures, religions, shortcomings, weakness, and makes unification of the feminine and the masculine possible. But then again, love does not necessarily conquer poverty and other physiological problems. Poverty